What's going on, everybody? And today I'm going to be playing some Fortnite Battle Royale. Now let's get right into the video. I cannot contain myself, you guys. There have been airstrikes added into the game, hunting rifles, and flintlock pistols also been added into Fortnite. Now, there's also, like, reinforcements that the IO have made, so let's just check that out right here. You can see this with our temporary victory and our Week 8 resistance quest, so we're still helping out the 7, finishing off the IO. So, I'm super excited to get those done, but we have all these new weapons added that we can use for a while. I am just so excited, guys. Anyways, I'll see you on the battle bus. Okay, everyone, so I'm here on the battle bus, and I am just so excited. We have airstrikes in the game, guys. You don't know how long we haven't had these. We haven't had these since, like, Season 1. They're so overpowered. And I have no idea, like, if they're just normal areas that you can find them or what. Because, I mean, like, I don't know where to find any of the weapons, not gonna lie. Hopefully they're just like normal areas around the map as loot. Ooh, we got a nice little quest area right here. Let's get this. But we have a flintlock! A flintlock in Fortnite, guys. We haven't seen that in so long. I'm just so happy right now, I cannot contain myself. I am so happy to use these weapons in game. It's just gonna be awesome. Let's just open this. I have a crown, by the way, so hopefully I don't lose it, you know. Like, I don't want to jinx it. But what the heck just happened to that thing? Another flintlock, guys? Let's go! Maybe we can do like a flintlock only challenge or something like that. Now, if you guys watch other YouTubers, obviously you've probably heard of Laserbeam or something like that. He loves flintlocks, alright? So, he's gonna be making a ton of videos and stuff like that. I mean, like, that's just a reference to what that stuff is. But flintlocks to the Fortnite community has been something special in all of our hearts that we've just wanted to keep, like, for a long time, that we all just love about flintlocks and stuff. It's a pretty good source of rotation, and it's also a nice weapon to annoy people with. So, I mean, like, it has both very good sides of using it. Alright, there's a tank over here. What's wrong with all these ammo boxes and stuff just floating? Oh gosh. Oh gosh, guys. Alright, we have a blimp that crashed right there. I wonder how the war at Tilted Towers is going. Probably still going on for a while. Let's just slide under here. That was a little awkward. Alright, let's get this and that. Now let's open this, and we have another one. Why not just, you know, double up on them? Alright, here's a dude in a tank. I guess there's tanks around the map and stuff also. So. Alright, bro. You're not gonna be able to do anything. Get over here, bro. Bro, this dude's gonna get destroyed. His tank's gonna get literally destroyed. I just destroyed his entire tank. Alright. Yeah, this might be our bounty. I have not... Yep, this is our bounty. This is literally our bounty. Right here. Believe it or not, he came right to us. Thanks for coming right to me, buddy. Where'd you go? Oh, little man started running. Don't run from me. Oh, he's just a generic default. He probably just started playing Fortnite. That sucks. Ooh, a blue hunting rifle. Let's go. Alright. Let's get this MK7 instead. Alright, I see a person healing over here. See if we can blow this gas station up. Should have broken him down, but it turns out I needed to break that. And there's the third party right there. Okay. Sorry if this isn't the best quality for like a video going over new weapons that were added today. But I mean, like, I just haven't been able to get many kills, and I just hit him and got some minis. He just took 35 damage. He's a spammer. And so many others are literally just joining in. Ah, guys, this is great. And there's a person right there. There's a person right there. There's so many people fighting right here. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding, guys? Another third party, or it's probably big. Since their name is that. That's what we'll be doing. Alright, we're doing it just like Ninja here. Alright, we're going straight for command. Trying to be cool. Alright, guys, second attempt. We're probably gonna die again. Because there's a person with a lightsaber right behind me. And people able to spam a crap ton. I'm dead. Okay, I'm not dead. But I literally couldn't move my controller. I literally was about to die. Who is... That's Gunner? Oh no. 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 I am not fighting Gunner this early today. No, sirree. Absolutely not. No, he's about to try and kill me. Plus someone else is. I cannot handle this right now, guys. This is a absolutely terrible situation right now. This is not good right now. He's trying to kill me. He's very close. Oh my gosh, this is... Alright guys, I'm in Storm. I have to sacrifice my, sniper, so... Actually, I'm not sacrificing my sniper, I'm sacrificing my lightsaber. I don't care about the lightsaber too much. That can come for another day. But this is something that I have to worry about. I just got a few heals. This might not be enough. I can't get out of Storm. Alright, let's heal a little bit. Alright, now let's go. Alright, the boss is getting killed in Storm. I thought I was about to land on that and die. I was so scared. Seems like there's a person down here with a stormtrooper gun. They just got a kill. They're healing. And let's go. We killed him. Alright, we got one of them down. Alright. Hopefully no one's here. Let's not jinx it. Battle, which was pretty funny, you know, until like Storm came along and had to ruin all the fun. Like we were shooting each other with cannons and stuff like that, trying to hit each other. It was pretty funny. But this dude's probably about to creep up on me. Yeah, he's right there. I knew it. That's him. Yep, that's him. That's him, alright. Great. Alright, and we a Star Wars fool right here. Alright, come on, buddy. Alright, let's just snipe him. Alright, get sniped, kid. Gotta learn how to protect yourself from a sniper, kid. Star Wars kid. Just fantastic. Just fantastic. Alright, he's right here. Bruh, you're emoting. Stop emoting. Alright, man. Just stop. And now he's healing in this building. Okay. Oh, he's right here. Alright, I just wanted that. Oh, great. We gotta get out of here, guys. It's an airstrike. Cover yourselves. I'm dead because of a Star Wars kid. It's the same kid.